Here we've got actually it's a really nice PTO drive manure spreader. It's a case spreader. You can see the case logo on the side. It's kind of hard to read, but it is there. We're pretty sure it's an authentic case spreader. Kind of hard to find one with that name, much less one in this good a condition. This is a local trade. It measures about 4 feet wide and 9 feet on the floor. It's got the splash guard in the front, extra guard up top. It is a triple beater on the spreader. The floor ratchet runs, you can hear it run. There you can see the triple beater working just fine. It's a really nice, solid, smaller PTO drive manure spreader.